Guys, and I'm on the Oregon Trail, and I wanted to go to Oregon because I thought that it would be better for my entire family, me, more land, and because I have more land, and because like nobody's barely there yet, so then I can get like the best places and stuff, best areas. And I followed the Donners, and they talked me into this shortcut, and now we've been stuck here for the past week, I think, because then the shortcut, nobody went there. I don't even know where they really heard about it, and I don't really know where they got it from because they didn't tell me. So yeah, that's a big deal. And then winter came, we had to dig it out, we had to dig all the snow in, and now here we are, lost. And basically, they killed and ate my horse now, because I don't know about my wagon, and yeah, and I haven't seen my friend Anthony in a long time. I think they might have eaten him too. That's a problem. But I have one word of advice for you guys. Just don't trust the Donner.
Trust the Donners. It's been out here for days. It's freezing cold. We ran out of food. I don't know what we're gonna do.